The remedy for an MKS planet is by mantra, chanting of mantras, and the other method is by strengthening the natural significator of the house in which a planet is MKS. Let us begin with the mantra remedies. If Sun is in the 12th house or in its MKS position and is troubling you, you may chant the mantra Om Namo Narayanaya 108 times daily. For Moon, the mantra is again Om Namo Narayanaya. For Mars, it is Om Shri Lakshmiyaya Namaha. For Mercury, it is Om Shri Lakshmiyaya Namaha. For Jupiter, it is Om Rudraya Namaha. Venus, Om Namo Narayanaya. Saturn, Namah Shivaya. Rahu, Om Namo Shivaya. Ketu, Om Gauriyaya Namaha. Mantras can be chanted under any circumstances and do not provide any negative effects. The another way is to strengthen the natural significator. Example, if Mars is in 7th house, then strengthen Venus. If Saturn is in 1st house, then strengthen the natural significator of 1st house, which is Sun. But of course, if you are trying to strengthen the planets by wearing gemstones, then do consult an astrologer, because it may so happen that to pacify Sun, you may wear a blue sapphire, but if Saturn is ill placed in your chart or malefic for your chart, it may provide adverse effects. So you may strengthen the planets in any other way, but for gemstones, do consult an astrologer. So when Sun is in MKS, strengthen Saturn. When Moon is in MKS, strengthen Saturn. Mercury in 4th house, strengthen Moon. Mercury in 7th house, strengthen Venus. For Jupiter, it is Mars. For Venus also it is Mars. For Mars, it is Venus. Saturn in MKS, strengthen Sun. For Rahu, strengthen Jupiter. For Ketu, give strength to Moon. If you want to know other details about MKS planets, I have uploaded a separate video on this topic and will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.